The family of a local doctor who died in a hit-and-run crash is suing the city of Los Angeles.
As KCAL 9's Joy Benedict tells us, the family claims the city knew that a stretch of street where the crash happened was dangerous, but they didn't do anything about it.
It's a bustling part of downtown with restaurants, lofts, and lifestyle. The Arts District is always full of people. But on this half-mile stretch of Santa Fe Avenue, the people want change.
I had to literally just check for cars and kind of bolt across, and I've seen multiple people do it.
Emily Locke, like many pedestrians, struggled to get around, as the east side of the road has no sidewalk. With parallel parking and speeding cars, most walk in the bike path.
It is just alarming in this area because there's so much pedestrian traffic.
It is the same stretch of pavement that is now the center of a lawsuit filed against the city of Los Angeles after the death of Dr. Larry Brooks.
Today would be our wedding anniversary. It would have been 37 years.
Anna Marie Piersimoni says her husband went out for a walk in May of 2020 and never came home.
I heard pounding at the door, and it was police, 2 of them. And they brought me his glasses, his wallet, this ring, our wedding ring. And he was gone in 10 minutes.
Brooks and his wife moved to the Arts District in 2014 when they became empty nesters. On that fateful day, a car speeding down Santa Fe lost control and slammed into him.
He wasn't breaking any rules. He was out going for a peaceful walk.
Robert Glassman is the attorney representing the family.
This lawsuit was brought to hold the city accountable for its failure in this tragedy.
How do you prove something like this?
So one really important piece of evidence in cases like this is notice. Was the city on notice of complaints?
According to the lawsuit, there were 18 accidents on this stretch of road in the 9 years before Dr. Brooks died. And it states the city was warned multiple times of the danger, not only from neighbors, but city employees.
One community member who said, "What has to happen? Does somebody have to die?" Apparently so. And it was my husband.
A few weeks ago, one crosswalk and a light was installed, and another is slated for construction. But this family says that's not enough to make up for what was taken.
Really? I had to sacrifice my husband for a traffic light to be put in 5 years later? It's wrong. It's just wrong.
A hearing is scheduled for tomorrow in this lawsuit against the city, with a trial set for the spring. As for the man who was driving the vehicle that struck Dr. Brooks, he was sentenced to 6 months in jail for vehicular manslaughter with gross negligence. He served 6 weeks. From the Arts District, I'm Joy Benedict, KCAL 9 News.